Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 26th February current affairs. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, information technology, that is intermediary guidelines and digital media ethics code rules 2021. Before going to discuss about this article, I have to read I have to quote a statement of two persons, that is Prakash Javadkar. He is the Minister of Information and Broadcasting Minister, and another one, that is Ravi Shankar Prasad, Electronics and IT Minister. Here Prakash Javadkar said that digital media platforms have no monitoring mechanism like TV or print media. That's why there is a lot of fake news or uh, roaming in the digital platforms. Here there must be a level playing field for all these social media, TV and print media also. All media platforms must have the same justice system. Then only we can implement justice to all. Here there is another comment, that is the government welcomes the criticism and right to dissent. It is important that the social media users running into crores should be given a platform for raising their grievances, to raise complaints about abuse of social media. About the abuse of social media, we know that there are abuse or fake news or bad words and are roaming around here and there. That's why there should be a control in the usage and at the same time control in the social media also. That's why government came up with some rules, that is intermediary guidelines and a digital media ethics code 2021. Here the rules have been framed in an exercise of powers under section 87 2 of the information technology 2000, and in suppression of the earlier information technology intermediary guidelines rules 2011. Here part 2 of these rules shall be administered by the Ministry of Electronics and IT, that is Ravi Shankar Prasad, while part 3 relating to the code of ethics and procedure safeguards in relation to digital media shall be administered by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, that is Prakash Javadkar. That is about information technology intermediary guidelines and digital media ethics code 2021. Next one, Global Bio India 2021. Here that is this summit is from 1st March to 3rd March 2021. It is a digital platform one. If you see the why this Global Bio India 2021, here this is the second edition. The first edition has done or held in 2019 in New Delhi. Here to showcase the strength and opportunities of India's biotechnology sector at national level and to the global community, the second edition of Global Bio India will be organized from 1st to 3rd March 2021 on digital platform media. Next one, City Innovation Exchange, CIE, Citizen Innovation Exchange, will connect cities to innovators across the national ecosystem to design innovative solutions for their pressing challenges. Here there is a maintenance of these cities are very crucial nowadays, or to connect these cities is a crucial thing. That's why there is a city innovation exchange, that is it will connect the cities to innovators across the national ecosystem to design innovative solutions for their pressing challenges. Here designed and on the philosophy of everyone is an innovator. The platform will bring together citizen organizations, academia, businesses, government to create for the future urban India in a transport and sustainable manner. It is launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, accelerating discovery and co-creation of innovative solutions for a urban India. That is about City Innovation Exchange. Next one, there is a SIP, that is Swachh Economic Places 2021. Here the Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation, DDWS, Ministry of Jal Shakti, has announced the selection of 12 iconic sites under the phase 4 of the Swachh Iconic Places, that is SIP. Here these 12 places are one by one. I will read it. Please try to remember or try to correlate. That is, the first one, Ajanta Caves located in Maharashtra, Sanchi Stupa located in Madhya Pradesh, Kumbhalarg Fort in Rajasthan, Jaisalmer Port in Rajasthan, Ramdvera in Rajasthan, Golconda Fort in Telangana, Sun Temple in Odisha, Rock Garden in Chandigarh, Dal Lake in Jammu and Kashmir, Banki Bihari Temple in Uttar Pradesh, Agra Fort in Uttar Pradesh, Kalighat Temple in West Bengal. These 12 iconic sites under the phase 4 of the Swachh Iconic Places. With this, we can round up our current affairs. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.